guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Trendsend box for you. So I also just uploaded a Nadine West, and in that one I kind of compare the two a little bit. They're both clothing boxes, but the Nadine West is going to be your less expensive stuff, whereas the Trendsend is going to be on the more expensive side, but they always send really great stuff. Plus, there's no styling fee with this one, so it's free to try some stuff on and then send it back if you don't like it. No harm, no foul. Is that how that saying goes? Whatever. Anyway, let me just show you what I got. Okay, so I'm just gonna read you what they wrote here. Outfit number one. Well, outfit number one is really 1 and 2. The skirt is a necessity in any wardrobe. So comfy and such a great price. It looks good with this cold shoulder thermal or any graphic tee you may have. Then there's this dress. Such an amazing fit on absolutely everyone. Perfect for graduations, weddings, any special occasion you can think of, or just date night, which should be a normal occurrence and not a special occasion. Cute. Okay, so the skirt is this utility skirt by Peyton Jensen, and this is actually on sale for $39.99. So it definitely is a good price, and it's super cute. It has, you know, just like the side pockets, the back pockets, and it's, you know, this nice khaki. It's a little bit stretchy, and it's not too short, not too long. It fits really nicely, kind of loose fitting almost. This is the exact type of thing that I think I would totally have worn a couple years ago. I almost never wear skirts anymore, but I feel like I should because I feel like they're really flattering. Okay, so the red top is from Sanctuary. I have a lot of stuff from Sanctuary at this point. I really like their stuff. This one is also on sale for $39.99, and this is a cold shoulder thermal. First of all, I love this red. It's a nice bright red, and the thermal material is super soft and stretchy, and it's actually a bit on the thin side. So I kind of like that. I tend to layer my clothes, so I prefer them to be thinner. The sleeves are really long, which I appreciate because I have long arms. So this is a good staple item. It's nice and basic, but you know, you could wear it with anything. You could wear it with shorts or a skirt or jeans. You could do casual, you could dress it up. I love clothes like that that are easy layering and good staples in your wardrobe so that you can kind of mix and match and use it for all sorts of things. So that's really great, and I love that they send me stuff that's on sale. The dress, I kind of went back and forth on this one a little bit, but I don't know. I do think it's really pretty. This is by Allison Joy, and it's $78. It's really, again, that like kind of lightweight, thin material, but it's really stretchy. It has an underside that's this blue, and then the outer part is basically like stretchy lace, you know, so it's not heavy or thick or anything, which is nice. The straps are adjustable, which is great. I love the V-neck, and the scrunchiness on the sides I think is really flattering. I kind of love the scrunchy thing, and it just shows off your figure really nicely. And the ruffle isn't too crazy or anything. I think it's just a nice little added bonus, and even though I generally don't like floral patterns, this one is not offending me in any way. I think because it's more muted colors, and it's not like, hi, look at these flowers. It's just kind of an interesting design, you know what I'm saying? I love the high-low hemline. It's a great little dress. I think this would be perfect for weddings or graduations or date nights in the summertime, or, you know, you could dress it up, dress it down, however you want to do it. Okay, outfit number 2. Although there is snow on the ground in Colorado, we are all getting ready for the warmer weather. The shorts are such a beautiful color and super comfy. Just add the Free People tee and some tennies or sandals. So the shorts are, I love the color, this kind of fun blue, and they are really comfy. They're a stretchy material, which is nice, and they're not too tight or anything. I love the kind of gym short hem on the bottom. I mean, they totally look like old school gym shorts, right? But they're really comfy and cute. They have a nice flattering flat panel front, and they have pockets. These are super cute. I could totally see myself wearing these all summer long. The t-shirt, I love that it's thin. I kind of like this material. I don't know what this is called, but it's see-through basically. The front part has these cute little, you know, like, they're not really cutouts, but it's kind of where the, I don't know what these are called, but they're kind of in the front. So when you tuck it in, it's like, oh, never mind, okay. Don't do the little mini tuck thing. But then when you leave it out, it kind of leaves me feeling a little boxy, but I don't know. I'm kind of torn on this one because it's so freaking comfortable, and I can just totally see myself wearing this all summer long, you know, just breezy and flowy. easy, comfortable. Okay, and then for the third outfit, how fun are these jeans? Not your everyday pair, but you can add tennies and a tee for a casual look, or add the white top and bralette and some super hot stilettos for a night out. This is by Free People and it's $38. I feel like I actually left my bra on when I was trying this on because it was a bit see-through. I feel like I'm not sure how to wear bralettes yet. Like I keep looking at pictures online and I was like, oh yeah, that looks cute. And then I put it on and I'm like, I don't know how to wear this and not just look weird. I don't know. It's one of those things that I'm like, I'm not sure I'm comfortable in this. But I do think it's kind of cute. I like the wide straps. It makes it really comfortable at least. These pants are so cute. These are by Articles of Society. These are $68, which isn't a bad price. And these are a size 27. Normally I'm a 28. But I think because these are so stretchy, these are basically jeggings, they sent me a smaller size so that they wouldn't be too big. They have that cutoff hem, which I think is super cute, but they're still long enough on my legs, which is nice. And I just love the stripes on the side. I think it's so cute. It's shiny too, so I feel like you could kind of dress it up more like tuxedo stripes as opposed to Adidas stripes. But you know, I mean, I think they're right. You could totally wear it casual or you could wear these dress up and they would be super cute either way. They're really comfortable. Again, that super stretchy material. These are just too cute. And then this top surprised me how much I love it. I think when I first looked at it, I wasn't expecting much. This is from Free People and it is $68. And it's just this wonderful lightweight sweatshirt. It has kind of that same, you know the t-shirt, how it had that same kind of material, but this is like a slightly thicker, it almost feels like a thermal, but not quite. And it's kind of got the batwing thing going on, which I honestly don't mind. I love this neckline. You could wear it, you know, off the shoulder or just kind of, you know, boat necky kind of a thing, or one shoulder. I think this is one of those super casual, easy, flowy things that you can just kind of wear any way you want. And you could dress it up with heels or dress it down with tennies or boots or something, and it just would go with everything, you know what I mean? I think it's just such a versatile, easy thing to wear, super comfy. So again, another fantastic box from Trendsend. I love everything in here, and now is the time where I get to fret about which things to keep. If it were free, I'd keep it all. So let me know which pieces you would keep or which things you think I should keep. What do you think looks best on me or whatever. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!